So I'm going to unbox whatever I get from a baby shower. So let's start. Since so many things are very delicate here, I will take out one by one. First one is I have a comb and a mirror and some things that I don't know. Here's the comb. I have no idea what this is. Then I have a mini mirror and two kumkums. Nice. Next, oh, there are two pretty flowers. So pretty. Then bangles. So these 4 bangles were given over there, and then they again provided further bangles, which I took too. Let me just try it on. It fits. One by one it will go. And suppose if it doesn't come out, then I will go back to my room wearing this all the way. Everyone will be looking at me. Done. 6 bangles in a row. And the next one is, I don't know what do you call this in Tamil, but this is pan ka patta. Betel leaves. And whenever they give betel leaves, they give this also to put at it. And then I think this one is to put the kumkum. I'm not sure. Yeah, it already has kumkum inside. And then the last is a toffee, Cartoon Network toffee, CNN. And this one will go to my videographer. Bye.